Oh my God! They said I'm gonna be king! Woo!
How's that gonna happen? We already have a king.
I have an idea. You gotta kill the king.
How are we gonna do that?
He's coming over tonight, right?
Yeah.
So what happens if you slip something in his drink? If he passes out, it doesn't make a sound. And I kill him and hide the body.
Where are we gonna hide the body?
We'll figure that out later. Where's your house? My king, my wonderful king! Oh, please come inside. You must be cold from your eyes. Oh, goodness. Woo-hoo. Gonna have a terrible time with you, old pal. How are you doing?
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, that's good. How was the ride over?
It's beautiful.
Good, good, good.
God, it's funny
It's
you
easy to
talk
see you
about.
didn't have a helmet on.
No, it's
You make sure you protect that noggin of yours. You don't want to get hurt.
good for you.
My beautiful king.
I was thinking, I want to run something by you. Congratulations on your promotion, by the way.
Thank you, my king.
I was thinking about,
I'm gonna go check on the pizza real quick.
I was thinking about naming my son the new king of Litchville.
Is that so?
Yeah. I figured I'd keep the family name, you know.
The pizza's
that
almost
going.
done. Would you guys like something to drink?
Yes, that sounds amazing. Please. Anyway, yeah, so, good idea, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. I agree. Keep it in the family.
Yeah.
Yep.
Them corn prices.
Oh, it's terrible out here.
Drop.
Yep. How's the elevator going?
Beautiful.
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 Come on.
Have you been out to visit all of the people underneath of you lately?
No, not recently, no.
I heard that one guy, he's been getting mighty talkative.
That's, you know,
Yes, like he wants to be king.
well, I'll have to do something about that.
We're gonna have to do something mighty quick about that.
Yeah, that's not okay.
It's terrible.
That's.
I could never imagine.
We're gonna, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. That looks amazing.
Drink up, king. Drink. Drink.
Oh.
Drink.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, drink. You're thirsty. Drink. Hey, come on. No.
Okay.
Drink. 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 Please, please.
That's about gone.
Please drink, sir.
That's
Please,
funny.
here.
Thank
No,
you.
drink. Drink.
What a
You
guy.
gotta finish it. It's bad taste not to. Finish. Drink.
Pizza's done. Are you guys hungry?
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
I just got all tired there. I don't know. Would you show me to my bed?
Of course. Please. 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 Come on, king, please.
Right here. Right here.
Right here.
Oh, thank you.
Please lay down.
Thank you.
There you go.
Oh,
Go to sleep, my sweet prince.
You're
I'll
so
see
kind.
you in the morning time.
Yes, you will.
Night night. Don't let the bed bugs bite. I don't know if I can do this.
Gotta do it. You're not a man if you don't. You have to.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
Can you help me?
No.
It's kind of heavy. I don't know if I can do it.
You can do it. You're a man.
Come on, big boy. Damn door. I don't know if I can do this.
You can do it. You gotta do it now. No one's going back.
You're right. forever be king. Hey, my old friend Macbeth, how are you doing?
I seen a dead body over there by your swim line.
What are you talking about?
What is that about?
I don't know. Oh, Jesus Christ.
He's dead. The king is dead. All hail the king of Litchville.